So hey, so in this video we'll be looking into the spread operator as such. We will deal with object destructuring as well as array destructuring, how to spread the object and get the values. So let's jump into the video. So uh, you must be initializing or declaring an object like maybe let obj equal to like this, and then maybe name, maybe num, um, and then maybe kaksha as well, chothi, fourth, right? So for example, if I have to uh, get the value out of it, the nam as well as the kaksha value, then what I would do is let name equal to obj dot nam, and then let's class equal to maybe okay, yeah, class equal to obj dot kaksha, right? And if I now console log this and then console this, so if I save this, you'll get the value, right? The name and fourth. But the thing is, with ES6, it actually gets simpler. So you don't have to write these things. Let me comment out. Yeah. So you just have to spread this. What you can do is just write the object and just write the exact key value. The key you have defined here should be exact key that you have to write it, right? So equal to obj. So now if I do control X and then control X, so if I save this file, you will get the same output, right? So so there's the object destructuring as such. So for example, if you want to maybe define the value again, for example, nam, you want to give some name, maybe uh, namkaran as such, namkaran as such. And if you if you control of this, and let me comment out this thing. So if I save this file, you will get the same output. So for example, if you want to rename this name keyword again, so you can rename this. So it also behave the same if you put it inside the function. So for example, if I write function check uh, check, and then it will just simply return me the object, and then just simply write if I just simply execute this check function here, and yeah, if I execute the check function here, if I save this file, you will get the same output as namkaran as well as the caption. Yeah, so this was the object destructuring. So let's see how we can basically deal with the arrays as well. So let me write an array. So arr equal to maybe 1, 2, 3. And to extract these values, you must be doing like first value equal to array of 0. And then let's second value as second value equal to array of 1, and you must be consoling this thing, right? Yeah, if I save this file, so you will get the value, right? The first value and the second value. But with the ES6, it actually gets simpler. You don't have to write anything. You just have to write. Let me comment all these things. Yeah. So with destructuring, you can just simply write like it should be array, and maybe first value and second value equal to array. And then if I console this, if I console first value and then second value. So if you save this, you will get the same value out of it. So how the destructuring actually helps us is during for example, if you are maybe making a SHR request, if you are making a fetch request as such. So for example, there is a function named fetch fetch, and then I don't need any params as such. So uh, for example, if you are executing this fetch function, let me change this so that r fetch, yeah, r fetch, and then if I execute with the help of obj, this obj is this thing. So it might be there might be a thing called maybe base URL and all, maybe the object, the data as well, data key, right? So what you can do, okay, is that you can directly destructure this. So I will just simply write num and kaksha, and what I will do is I'll just simply log this num and kaksha, right? So if I save this, so you will get the value, right? The Shubham and the fourth. So yeah, this was all about the object and array destructure. So yeah, thanks a lot.